In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a new project using Excel in Asana. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. The first step in our process is to open the Asana website. Go ahead and enter your login credentials to access your account. Once you're logged in, you're going to want to look for the Create button in the top left corner of your screen. Go ahead and click on that. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there, you'll want to select the Project option. This selection will kick off the new project setup process. Now, here comes the exciting part, importing your project. Look for the Import Project button. Clicking that will allow you to choose an external data source, in this case your Excel file. This feature is fantastic for anyone who has been organizing their project data in Excel and wants to seamlessly migrate it into Asana. Once you've clicked on the Import Project button, you'll see a text field where you can enter a clear and descriptive name for your new project. This is crucial because it helps you and your team to identify the project easily in the future. So take a moment to choose a name that accurately reflects the work you're about to tackle. After naming your project, it's time to upload your Excel file. Look for the button that says Select File to Import. Clicking this will open a file selection dialog box on your computer. Navigate to the location where your Excel file is saved and select it. If you prefer a more straightforward approach or want to save a few clicks, you can also drag and drop your specific Excel file directly into the designated upload field in Asana. This can often be faster and more efficient, especially if you have the file open alongside. Once your file is uploaded successfully, the next step is to click the Continue button. This action will allow Asana to begin processing the data from your spreadsheet file. Depending on the size and complexity of your Excel data, this may take a few moments. Just hang tight while it works its magic. After the processing is complete, you'll see another button that says Create Project. Click on that, and voila! You've just finalized the import. Asana will now display your new project dashboard where you can see all your tasks laid out. And there you have it. Now you know how to import a new project using Excel in Asana. This process can save you a ton of time and make rolling out projects much easier. If you encounter any issues during the process, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on maximizing your productivity with Asana. Until next time, take care and happy project managing.